What are some popular Minecraft mods that can be installed on the Switch?
Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Today, we are going to delve into an exciting world of modifications that can enhance your Minecraft experience on the Nintendo Switch. Minecraft mods allow you to alter and add to the base game, introducing new elements and customizations that can make your gameplay even more enjoyable. So, let's get started.
Are mods available for Minecraft on the Switch?
First things first, it's crucial to address that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, officially, Minecraft mods are not supported on the Nintendo Switch version of the game. Microsoft, Mojang, and Nintendo have not provided an official way to install mods on the console versions of Minecraft. However, there are some workarounds that players have discovered, which could potentially risk voiding your warranty or violating terms of service. Please always ensure that you are following all guidelines and rules set out by the console and game manufacturers.
What about Bedrock Edition add-ons?
While traditional mods might not be available, Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which is the version available on Switch, does support add-ons. Add-ons allow players to change and remix various aspects of the game. These include modifications to behaviors, textures, and skins, offering a degree of customization that can significantly enhance your gameplay.
Which add-ons are popular?
There are numerous add-ons available for the Bedrock Edition that are enjoyed by players. A few examples include the More TNT add-on, which introduces a host of new types of explosive to the game. The Crazy Craft add-on is another fan favorite, introducing new biomes, mobs, and items to the Minecraft universe. The Furniture add-on introduces various types of furniture that players can use to decorate their in-game homes. It's important to note that while these add-ons offer mod-like features, they are not traditional mods and might not offer as extensive customizations as mods available on the PC version of the game. In conclusion, while we may not have traditional mods available for the Minecraft version on Nintendo Switch, add-ons serve as a great alternative. They can provide a fun and fresh twist to your usual gameplay. Always remember to follow guidelines provided by game and console manufacturers to keep your gaming experience enjoyable and secure. Keep building, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Until next time, happy gaming!